What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about something that you should not be doing if you want to keep your KDP account in good standing and keep it for a very long time. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to hit that $1,000 per month within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, what is it what I'm talking about, or what the hell am I talking about if you want to keep your account in good standing? Well, that's creating books, any type of book around celebrities, TV shows, movies, sports teams, anything like that. I personally stay well clear of using a trademarked quote from a celebrity, or a picture of a celebrity, or even the president of the States like this one, which is a big no-no. But so many people are doing this, so other people think it's fine to do so as well. Now, me personally, I want to keep my KDP account for absolutely years, and to do so I just stay well clear of anything like this, and you should too. So even though there's people searching for a Trump journal, there's actually 40 monthly searches on Google for a Trump journal, so people are searching for this. Just stay clear of it, or anything like that, like Harry Potter as well. So someone here's done a Harry Potter journal. That's another thing I would just stay completely clear of. And I wouldn't even use, and I don't think you're allowed anyway, to use brand names, author names, or anything like that in your keyword slots within your back office. See, you might create a book like this or a book like this, and it's absolutely fine for, let's say, a year, 2 years, 3 years. Then all of a sudden, because you were doing stuff like this, further down the line, bam, your account has gone and you can't get it back because you're infringing on someone else's trademark. So let me pull up a trusted notepad. Stay clear of celebs, so celebrities, TV shows. It's another thing that I don't even touch, not even quotes from TV shows. Movies, I stay well clear from that. Then also sports teams. See, in the print on demand world, especially t-shirts and mugs, lots of people take these little quotes from TV shows or even movies and put them on t-shirts, and they sell really well. So you might do this on a book and it sells extremely well, but I would not want to chance having my account closed. Like I said, I want my KDP account for years and years to come so it can earn me passive income. Even if I move on to a different business and don't really do much publishing, the books that I previously published will still carry on creating me an income for years to come. So why would you want to jeopardize that? Stay away from celebrities, TV shows, movies, sports teams, or anything related to those types of topics. There's like a million different niches out there which you could create books around, so there's no point in creating books around these and potentially getting your account closed further down the line. Like I said, you could create these books and have no problems, sell a shit ton of books, but then another year or 2 years, 3 years, all of a sudden KDP closes your account, then you can't get it back and that little income stream of yours has suddenly gone. So stay away, stay away, stay away. I can't stress this enough if you want to keep that account in really good standing. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.